Hello, people, and welcome to update number 14. I made a small change about 2 days ago. I decided to use Revenuecat's virtual currency, Revenuecat's new virtual currency, as one of the options inside my app. So I wanted to make a small video about that. So for those who don't know, virtual currency is a beta. It's a beta feature that has been added in the product catalog, whereby you can basically, it's like you can create balance and tokens or coins, and then you can spend those ones as in-app purchases inside your app. So I went ahead and created an echo token, all right? Because I was already giving users free 50 AI calls, but there was no way of classifying them or no way of tracking them and all that. So what I decided to do, I decided to make them tokens. So for each API call, you use a token. So now I give them 50 free echo tokens. And then also, it forced me to also look at how my whole purchasing flow was actually doing, because I only had subscriptions. If you can look at my products, are they not loading? No internet? And I'm not sure why they're not loading, but the products only had subscriptions. So now I needed to add in different types of products, i.e. consumables. So I had subscriptions, and then I added in consumables, and those consumables are the ones that I use to then buy the tokens. So it works kind of similar, something like this. So you have the freemium, whereby you get 50 AI requests or 50 AI tokens. And then you have the eco tokens, which is like a pay-as-you-go system, where you can purchase either 100 or 1,500 or 500 tokens. And then you have the premium, which is unlimited AI tokens. So it works with a 3-tier type of flow, whereby freemium is the foundation, whereby everybody has the free 50 AI tokens to use as they want. And then if they don't want to subscribe, but they still want to use the service, then you get a flexible part of the revenue, whereby they can buy either 100, 500, or 1,500 tokens. And these ones never expire. So the person can pay only when he needs to get tokens. But for those who need like unlimited, all right, I'm going to add some more services to this, but just for unlimited AI access, no issues, then you can then subscribe, whereby you have the weekly, the monthly, and the annual. So originally it was a 2-tier architecture, with tier 1 not being so well defined, but now with the inclusion of those Revenuecat tokens, it's now a 3-tier architecture, so that even for those users who don't want to subscribe, I still have a service for them, as in I can still provide value to them. And I think that's really, really great. All right, so the technical way of how it's working is pretty simple. The iOS client can fire off Firebase functions, and those Firebase functions are responsible for connecting to the Revenuecat API, and they're able to spend or deposit tokens as need be. So I can, like, when you use a token on the client, it fires off a Firebase function connects to Revenuecat deducts the token, and so I always know how many tokens the user has left. Okay, and it's pretty simple to implement. Already I had the subscriptions, which are here for weekly, monthly, and yearly. And then I simply added in the tokens and a count of how the tokens will be counted. So you have the tokens where you can buy 100 tokens, 500 tokens, or 1,500 tokens. All right, so this is for the pay-as-you-go system. Anyway, that's it. Just want to give an update on this Revenuecat virtual currency system that I put in. Although it is beta, this is a hackathon after all. It is working, and I did test it. I just hope the beta is not broken or does something weird, but it does work, so I'm using it. And they actually even offered us, they actually told us to use it, which is, I think, good. I think there's a slow internet connection why it's not loading. But yeah, that's all I have. And so then I'll see you guys tomorrow for update 15 on one signal.